Okay, let's apply what we've learned about Bloom's taxonomy, about the different levels of cognition to the first assignment. So I know the rubric's a little small, but here we have this category of failure, substandard, good, superior, and outstanding. Failure is basically you didn't do it at all. And now let's move through. Let's start with substandard. Substandard is really going to be this lowest level of cognition. You're going to be able to define a concept. You're going to be able to repeat something that you saw in the readings. Good, you're going to be able to not only define and repeat some stats, but you're also going to be able to describe something. You're going to be able to explain something a little bit better. So you're going to demonstrate remembrance and understanding. Then you're going to move into the superior category. This is where you're going to define, describe, and you're going to start differentiating. You're probably going to do a compare and contrast. What is the difference between leadership and management? Even if you're talking about leadership, why don't you compare the two? And what makes leadership different? That shows that you have taken your learning to this higher level. When you get into outstanding, to really reach this level, you're going to have to operationalize this entire pyramid here. You're going to have to define and repeat some stats. You're going to have to describe and discuss, explain some things while identifying them. You're going to have to compare and contrast some ideas. You're going to have to evaluate what are the different leadership challenges and which is most important, and which leadership characteristic would enable someone to do that. And you're going to bring up these different concepts and you're going to critique them, you're going to evaluate them. And then finally, you're going to offer this new understanding. You're going to demonstrate that you understand these concepts so well that you can propose what's the best leadership action for this, or what's the best leadership model for this situation. So that's how you're going to apply this to your assignment. So if you're in substandard, then the only thing I've seen is that you're recalling some facts. If it's good, then you've done these two. As you move up the rubric, you're going to see it gets more complex and you're going to be called on to do more things, moving up, remember, from this low level of cognition to this higher level.